Hey, what's up guys? So I'm talking to you guys about my EDC, my everyday carry. So what you see here is I have my fanny pack. I don't bring that with me everywhere I go, but here are some things that I do carry. Everything that's out is everything that I carry in my pocket. First thing first, I got my iPhone 11. I use it as like a flashlight, take pictures, camera, phone, everything that I need. I got a Bifold wallet. This actually is really easy because it's pretty slim and it doesn't take up very much room in my pocket. I always carry around my AirPods. Always gotta make sure that they're charged, but I always carry that. We got my mask. Obviously we got the quarantine or the COVID-19 going down, and so I always carry the mask. This one, it's got the filter on the inside, you can see right there. I'm not gonna pull it out, but this one's made by Spitfire. And then I carry out my Kershaw blade. I like this bad boy because it's like my beat up knife. It's got the clips on the back. The clips, actually you can move it to different locations, so depending on which pocket you keep your knife in, it's made for the quick draw. It's got the release here on the inside. Tanto blade. Had it for quite a while now, maybe like 5 years. Good blade. I use it, beat it up. So that's what I carry on a daily basis. But if I have my fanny pack with me, there's a little bit more, but I don't bring this everywhere I go, but I'll usually leave it in the car. On the exterior, I got the bottle opener and the lighter all in one. It's got the retractable. On the other side, I got a flashlight. I think it's 100 lumens with the sharp edge right around the edge right there. And then let me open this bad boy up and I'll show you. This is what I carry on the inside of my fanny pack. I got my iPad, just in case I need something. I got the Anchor power supply with the charging cord. This will use to charge my iPad and my iPhone. This is the multi-tool I have. I don't like carrying around like a Leatherman or something. I've never really needed the pliers, so this will have the screwdriver. I'm trying to do this one hand, but it's got the Phillips. It's got let's see, the bottle opener here. It's got the bottle opener. It's got the flat head right there. You can see it, and it's also got a knife on it, like a little tiny knife that I never really use. And then I also got the field journal with the field pen. This is a glass breaker right here if I ever need it. Never needed it, but pens lasted me. And then obviously I keep some of the hand sanitizer. This made by Public Goods. One thing that I forgot, I also carry a backup knife. I still have this in my pocket. I actually carry 2 knives on me. I forgot about it, but I have the Opinel No9 knife, super sharp. It's just in case I need it, but this one, less of a beater knife. I don't use it to like pry things open or anything, but it's good to have. It was in my pocket, but I usually keep it in here. So 2 knives. Thanks guys. If you like that video, please subscribe. If there's anything you think I am missing or I should add, leave it in the comments below. Thanks guys, and don't forget to hit the like button.